step, back step. It's like a curtsy, right? Okay, again, so I get a little closer. Step, step, and I'm just gonna turn my hips all the way through, point my butt up to the sky to touch my toes. So, what's important is, don't get your butt in front of him, all right? Get your opposite hip in front of him. So here I am, I have my seat belt, my wrist control, head position. I hit my back step, boom, boom, and now I'm getting all the way through. All right? A lot of guys get this wrong because they come in here, try to throw it. Make sure you get all the way through. Don't worry about even throwing it, just worry about getting your hips through. Then the throw will happen easily, it'll almost happen on its own. 1, 2, hips through. Oh, there's a lot. With that, boom.